You broke his porch.
It was already like that.
Alex,
there's something wrong with your porch.
Oh, yeah, that happens all the time.
He took your ball off.
Get back there.
I really got pissed.
Dude, just give me my stuff back.
I'm good. Compost time.
Oh my God. He's a portable porch.
Good night, boys.
Yeah.
Okay, we're being very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Oh. Is he coming? Is he coming? Oh, I can't zoom. I'm in video mode.
Oh man, I'm sure that's
Alex?
Don't touch it. It's high voltage.
Alex?
Hang on. I gotta get my stuff back.
Oh!
Alex, I'm not out to get you. You gave me my shoe back.
Ooh! Ooh!
Look at this. Alex, go. Seriously.
We both got something now.
There's not much you can do to that.
it's like made of pure iron.
Exactly.
Although if I peed on it, it might make it taste cold.
Yeah. Okay.
What did he say?
You go discharge on your bike. It's not even gonna do anything.